Hello, beautiful people. I have the best sisters-in-law in the world. I sent them a message that my palm oil has finished and they said they will send for me. Lo and behold, they sent all these goodies for us. Look at this 25 liters of palm oil. Ever since I got married to their brother, I don't buy palm oil. They always send freshly milled palm oil for us. I've been shouting since morning. They send crayfish, oba. I don't know if this camera is doing justice because these are in large quantities. This is akidi and pear. They know I like pear so much and they sent it in abundance. Look at this fresh corn from the farm. Here is okpa. This is in big quantity. This is granite and abacha and gari. You know that white gari that draws when you add hot water. This will go well with hot ogbono soup. This palm oil will last us for a long time. I have the best sisters-in-law in the world. I want to tell you, my dear sisters, that God replenish you and bless the works of your hands abundantly. God protect you and your families, and peace reigns all around you. These are clearer pictures of these gifts. This okpa flour is not those mixed with other things. This is pure okpa. My sisters in love are the most peaceful set of in-laws I know. They took me in as one of their own sisters and work collaboratively all the time to love us. I want to say from my heart that God reward you all openly. If every woman has sisters-in-law like you, the world will be a better place to live in. Let us go and enjoy, and I promise to keep taking care of your brother and you all too. I appreciate you all from the depth of my heart. God bless you. I love you all. And this is not the first time that doing this. From time to time, they make sure they send me goodies from home. And they do this without asking for money. My marriage journey in Enugu State has no regrets at all. I know I am loved.